Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Zyojyo Tech and today I'm going to share one nice trick that I have faced many times and I solved this problem. Okay, the problem is that while installing your traditional keyboard layout from your country, then the Windows notice us that the keyboard DLL file supporting traditional keyboard layout caps lock unchanged named triarretread.dll already exists on this machine in the system directory. Installation cannot continue. Okay, this type of problems usually facing while installing your country traditional font, right? And today I have a solution. Okay, how to fix this problem. First, we have to know that here is one notification there named thread.dll. Okay, we have to search thread.dll. Okay, in your case, there may be the next word is there. Okay, in my case, I have thread.dll. Okay, and let's solve this problem. Solve this problem, we have to go to this PC, open it, then I have to go to C drive where programs are installed. Then I'm going to search, then I will type there trad.dll, and after press enter for searching thread.dll. Okay, whatever is there, okay, just select all, then right click, then delete. Click delete. Continue. Then after, just restart computer and then try to reinstall on the font. Okay, this is the solution which I have faced problem and I got solution after deleting data file and restarting. Please try this. If your problem is fixed, then please let me know in the comment sections. Okay.